Summer has officially begun. Between celebrating multiple kids' birthdays, the last week of school ending, and putting in our massive garden and getting all of our pumpkins planted, we have been very busy. Today's sponsor is QVC. More on them in a little bit. As always, welcome to the Country Castle. I hope you enjoy today's video. Welcome to the Country Castle. If you are new here, my name is Sarah. I have 8 kids and we live in an old Victorian home, which we call the Castle House because that is what our community calls our house, and that is why we are the Country Castle. We actually live out where there's a lot of farms and it's a small town. We don't live in a big city and we love our small town charm. This last weekend, we spent so much time as a family making good food and just had some fun moments as our family of 10. We are missing my oldest son. He is off at the Coast Guard. He is 3 weeks into his 8 weeks at boot camp. And in 3 weeks, we get to talk to him. So it's been an emotional thing for this mom to not talk to her son. But I am so proud of him. All of us are. And we've been able to send him letters and we get updates on what they are learning and experiencing. But it will be really nice when I can actually hear his voice. I hope that you're enjoying time with your family. And again, these can be highlight reels, and I always try to share the reel going on. There's definitely highs and lows in my life. I am not perfectly patient. I am always striving to do better and be better as a mom. And I hope that you always take that away from my channel. And I just wanted to remind you, when I say something to you on this space, I am saying it to myself as a reminder, and I hope that you understand that that is what binds us and connects us. And I'm so grateful to have you here in my community, and I hope that you enjoy today's video. Hey, Mimi.
Hey Mom, I'll never forget what my stuffies were. Even though it might have gone thrown away. Imagine. Hey, like this? I don't know.
There are are a few different ways that I am tackling summer with 8 kids home from school. One of them being different camps that are in our town. Swimming lessons or lavender camp. We love this kind of stuff for our kids. We also love having less screen time and more creative play, which is something we are naturally doing. Another thing I love to have in the home is in our dining room, we have half of the table laid out with paper that you can do arts and crafts on, and the other half is a 1,000-piece puzzle. These things make a huge difference in being able to create creative time for our family and is really helpful in the summer months. Today I am partnering with QVC. It seems like we're always having a party in this house, and I was really excited to add to my collection the QVC Temptations line. I absolutely love their Indigo Blooms print. I love blue. There's so much blue in my house, and these 2 bowls were the perfect addition to my entertaining platters. I actually don't even have a salad bowl, so I was so excited to get this beautiful bowl that I can showcase beautiful salads in, fruits, whatever. It will match any occasion. I also love their Indigo Bloom bowl with the bamboo lid, so I have the option to use it, put it in my fridge. I am using both of these bowls today to entertain with my family and to just make some beautiful salads, and I feel like it just makes the table a little more special when you have nicer pieces to put your food in for entertaining parties or just to make a basic dinner a little more special. I love the quality of these bowls, and when I introduce something into my home, I want it to stand the test of time and also be a piece that is timeless. I don't want wasted bowls and platters in my home. I want the ones that work for me, and these pieces are just that. QVC has given me a code, WELCOME20. You can get $20 off of a purchase of $40 or more. I have both of these bowls linked in my description below. Absolutely check them out. I love being a QVC partner. Thank you again for supporting my sponsor, and I hope you enjoy the rest of today's video. This year, we decided to double our garden space so that we could grow more pumpkins, since it was our absolute favorite thing to grow last year. If you remember our pumpkin patch and our fuzzy sunflowers, I also cannot get over Franny and Sophie playing, and Sophie was actually loving being hauled around the yard like this, and it was pretty funny. But this year, we have planted 50 pumpkin plants, and we are so excited to see what this year's harvest will bring. Yeah, hun?
Different and gorgeous. New flower for you. It's this one.
Ooh, you're gonna put it in?
Because the other one was too small.
Oh, I love that one. Okay, will you go get me one? I need a green one and a yellow one.
I need mushrooms.
You don't have to have mushrooms on yours.
I could open it. Orange, yellow, green.
Okay, so you can scoop these into there.
Wait, I want to make it this color. Wait, I need red first. I'm totally gonna need red. And orange.
These are going to be the best shish kebabs.
Mom, I want to show you how I do the colors of the rainbow.
Okay.
You're gonna be so happy. Okay, thanks. So that's enough. Okay. Also, the little hands.
One of our favorite things to eat during the summer is shish kebabs. The kids love putting them together, and they are so easy to throw on the grill and give you a variety of meats and vegetables. We can always change it up depending on what vegetables are in season. Definitely a favorite in our house. If there is one thing I have learned since my son has left for the military, it is that I do not want to take for granted any moment with my children. I feel like I wish I had had more time, more conversations. I just keep thinking how much I miss him, and I don't want to miss out on anybody or anything.
Wait a second.
This is a cucumber. Yeah, these are going to be sliced in cucumbers. Over the next couple weeks, I will be sharing a new family system that we have developed to create more connection, love, and safety within our home. And I'm so excited to share it with you. I hope that this inspires you to connect more with your family, to slow down, enjoy the beautiful summer days wherever you are. Thank you again for joining me on today's video, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.